Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Mevick here, and I'm going to give you a little overview about how to navigate this WebQuest. I will also be reading you some things on it to make it a little bit easier for you guys. So, again, we're going to be learning about pollution, and we're going to see how much you know from the first lesson that we taught about pollution and modifications. So, this is the first page you guys will come to. You guys are going to click on intro if it's not already at the intro. And it will look like this. You'll see the goal, the introduction. So if you scroll down, the goal says, this WebQuest is a fun and engaging way for students to gather information about pollution and better their understanding of its effects on our planet. Students will be able to identify and explain the causes and effects of the three main types of pollution. Students will be able to discuss and show their ideas through an advertisement that is to help limit and prevent pollution of our land, water, and air. Now I'm going to read the introduction right here. Pollution can destroy our wildlife, our land, and cause health problems to humans. Things such as car exhaust, pesticides, fertilizers, and oil spills are ruining our Earth's natural resources. Our land, water, and air are in trouble. If our planet continues at this rate, our planet needs your help and my help. Are you up for the challenge? Throughout this WebQuest, you'll become an expert on the topic of pollution, which you already are, and you'll become a little bit more better about knowing different types of pollution and the causes of them. With this information that you guys will learn in this WebQuest, you will create the Save the Earth advertisement where you incorporate the descriptions of the issue and solution you choose. You will be expected to share this advertisement on any platform of your choice. So then if you guys go up here, you guys will click Task. You're going to go right in this order. I have a couple central questions. So you will familiarize yourself with different types of pollution and the causes. You will learn about the effects it has on the environment. You will brainstorm and examine solutions of these pollution problems using reasoning and critical thinking. And you will also create a Save the Earth advertisement, including an issue and solutions in it. So here's your guys' task. You'll be working with the Albany District Environmental Agency as a public service advisor. Your new job requires you to travel from school to school informing students about the causes of pollution, pollution disasters, and how pollution can be decreased. Your task is to create a Save the Earth advertisement, where you will incorporate pictures and descriptions of the issue and solution that you choose. You'll be expected to share your advertisement on a platform of your choice. And if you scroll down, I have a list of what your advertisement must include. So your choice of researching land, water, or air, you need to put in there the cause of that pollution, the effects of that pollution, health hazards with that pollution, how to decrease your type of pollution, a summary, and your references. Lastly, I have some guiding questions such as what is pollution, what are three types of pollution, what are some causes. I'm going to move myself over here. I'm right here again. So what are some causes of pollution? What are some effects of pollution? What are some things we can do to slow down how much we pollute the earth? So just some questions like that. You're going to scroll back up here. You will click Process. And if you scroll down, I have your task up here again. So you'll be working on making an advertisement that will be fitting for elementary school students who will be learning about pollution. Your advertisement will be based on 7 guiding questions and 7 items to include in your task section. So I want you to try and add some pictures, interesting facts to help you spice up your advertisement. So below, then I'm going to go down, are 10 steps that I've created, and I put them and the links that you'll need for each step. I also included a worksheet that you'll see right here. So if you just click this link, it will take you to a Google Docs. In this Google Docs, you will use this worksheet to record all of your information. This will also be handed in. So I want you to look right here. We've got step 1. What are you going to use / do your Save the Earth advertisement? So if you go here, step 1, I give you multiple platforms you can pick. You can pick what you want to do. If you want to do a poster board, if you want to do a brochure, video. I'm open to any idea that you guys be as creative as you want. If you want to make it with Play-Doh, anything. Step 2, what is pollution? This is one of the questions you will be asking. It's also on your worksheet. So I have some links right here. Some are articles, some are videos. So you can click on any of these, and I want you to answer the question, what is pollution, and put it on the worksheet. This will also, all these questions should be included in your advertisement too. Step 3, what are 3 types of pollution? I have, again, article and some videos that you can look at. I want you to answer that question again on the worksheet and so forth. You're going to do the same thing for every step. Every step I did include links and articles. These I have specifically for air pollution. These are specifically for land pollution. And these are water pollution. I tried to keep it as organized as I could for you guys. And then step 5, I did the same thing again. Step 6, what are the effects of your types of pollution? As you see, I just used the same questions that were in the guiding questions on the task page. You keep going down. This doesn't have any links in it. You can use any information that you got from the other links to answer this question. What are the health hazards of your type of pollution? For example, if you had air pollution, a health hazard would be lungs or your breathing issues and problems. 8, again, how can you slow down your type of pollution? 9 and 10. And then you come back up to the top, you click evaluation, and this is how you guys will be graded on this. It's a 3-point scale. If you want, you can read through this. It goes, I'll be grading you on grammar, if you add any additional information, your effort, how much effort you put into this project. Your advertisement is going to be the project. The worksheet, which I showed you, is your notes. And if you completed the task. And that is it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or your other teacher, Miss Jess or Miss Cericia, and we will be able to help you as soon as possible. I hope you have fun, guys. Can't wait to see your advertisements.